All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, watching coins go to the moon, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Some of you call it Dogelon Mars. Whichever way you call it, we're going to be going to their website, checking out their Twitter account. The coin is down right this second on a Sunday. This could be a good time to cost average. It could be a good time to get yourself in position. Then we're also going to talk about Elon Musk. Which cryptocurrencies does he own himself personally? Even though the ticker of Dogelon Mars is Elon, what cryptocurrencies does Elon own? And then at the end, we're going to talk about a crypto project for a minute or two, the Cake of Fortune. One of my favorite projects. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, get in a project for cryptocurrency, know what to look for with cryptocurrency, all kinds of good stuff. All right, let's sit back and relax. Let's get this out of the way now. I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. If you click the little button and you make money, this is a solo dolo kind of thing. Good job. If you click the little button and you lose money, this is a solo dolo kind of thing. It's all on you. Just a educational video trying to document my journey. Let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is ranked 137th on CoinMarketCap. Can't believe it. It was doing pretty good. It's down 24% for the last 7 days. Down, baby. Look at this. We got red. Okay, so we're down 24%. Let's go ahead and click the coin. For right now, I mean, it's up and down. That's not the big story of the week. The big story is right here. Look where it was at, and it's come down. There was a little jump right here, and then for whatever reason it came back down. So Dogelon Mars is down 24%. Is this the time to basically cost average? Is this the time to get yourself positioned with the Dogelon Mars? Let's go over to their Twitter account. Over at their Twitter right here. It says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me and together we'll reach the stars. Now, I don't know how many of you know this, but this cryptocurrency is on the planet for intergalactic travel. So when we go to Mars, you're going to pay for it. You're not going to pay for it in the United States money. You're not going to pay for it in euros or yens. You're going to pay for this in Dogelon Mars cryptocurrency. That's how you're going to go to Mars in the future. I also believe if you go to the moon, if you actually take a trip to the moon, you're going to play in Dogelon Mars. You'll probably have to go to the window over there, convert your euros to Dogelon, convert your United States dollars to Dogelon, and then you'll get on the little spaceship, and then you'll go. All right, the Gloomy Bears has been out since March, which is fantastic. June 1st, the Wright brothers deserves an international holiday for, they're saying because of the flying and everything. So Dogelon is into flying with their technology. Here's something that's pretty good on Coinbase. Coinbase Custodial now supports deposits and withdrawals from Elon right here. So right on Coinbase, you can actually do deposits and withdrawals for Elon, which is fantastic. Over here to the right, we got Elon Musk with his little space helmet on, getting ready to go. Now, remember, Dogelon is very into cartoons and stuff like that. We don't have a white paper, but we got cartoons and everything, which is fantastic. Going over to their website. This is a website that's a facelift from before, a brand new white website for a few months. Got 6 places you can buy. Dogelon Mars, Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me together and we'll reach the stars. So it says there's 650,000 people following them on Twitter. And we basically got 90,000 on the Telegram. Let's go over to their Telegram group and join it. And right here, look at, they got the little rocket going off. Straight to Mars by Elon. You know, they got the tickets to Mars here. Like I was saying, when we actually go to Mars, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to hit the buy button, and you're going to go right to Mars there. So you can go over to their Twitter account. A lot of good things going on their Twitter. A lot of excitement going on. You know, eat the dip. So they're talking about eating the dip and stuff, which is good. 24% down right now. This would be a great time to eat the dip. No white paper, but you got cartoons. So if you're into cartoons and you're an investor, you're going to freaking love Dogelon Mars. You actually got cartoons that talk about what's going on. So the cartoon phase, they're trying to bring it back. They don't want to have a white paper, but they got cartoons. Dogelon Mars is ranked 137th, 170.89 million in market cap and 2.48 million in volume. They have a little starter guide here, how you can create a wallet on MetaMask, send your ETH. Everybody should know how to do that. Let's go ahead and head over to right here, Elon Musk and cryptocurrency. Which cryptocurrency does Elon Musk own? All right, so real quick, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So I've been asked before, does Elon own Dogelon Mars? Does Elon own Dogelon Mars because the ticker is Elon? The answer to that is no. I believe he likes it. Again, when we go to Mars and we go to the moon, you're going to pay for your intergalactic travel with this cryptocurrency, but he doesn't own it. Now what we're going to go to is what cryptocurrencies does Elon Musk himself own? I know there's 3 of them. Here we are. Which ones does he own? Tesla. Elon Musk earns a Doge Father title after announcing last year that he had invested in Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is one of them. Crypto reached the mainstream audience post an announcement that Dogecoin became the talk of the town. The SpaceX founder tweeted about the meme coin and spoke it often during interviews. Musk is single-handedly responsible for bringing millions of investors into the crypto space with his investments in the Doge. Now that we all know that he owns Dogecoin, which other cryptocurrencies does he own? Which cryptocurrencies does Elon Musk own? Well, Elon Musk attends the B Word conference last year in June 21st. Overwhelming showed his support in Bitcoin. So we know he has Dogecoin. We know he has Bitcoin. He also revealed that Tesla might start accepting Bitcoin again after announcing that it will not accept it due to the environment concerns. At the same time, at the same conference, Musk added that Bitcoin could be used as an economic empowerment. Moreover, in February of last year, Musk announced that Tesla has bought Bitcoin worth $1.5 billion. Well, even though he's got some Bitcoin, right now it's the lowest it's ever been since he bought it, so he's definitely taking a little loss on it. I bet you he probably does say, again, my information is for educational purposes only, but I bet you he does start to say how basically, Bitcoin is great, so so Bitcoin can go back up. And the B Word conference, Elon Musk publicly revealed he owns 3 different types of cryptocurrencies. There they are. I knew there were 3. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Those are the 3 that Elon Musk himself owns. The SpaceX founder owns no other cryptocurrencies apart from these 3. Also, why we know that Musk holds Dogecoin. The billionaire has not revealed how many Dogecoin he owns. However, a group of Reddits done a Sherlock Holmes hat to find out how much Dogecoin Musk owns, and you can read here to find it out. Moreover, the claims are merely speculation and not official count on how much Dogecoin Elon Musk owns. The entrepreneur might even have multiple wallets for security reasons. We might never know about it. Only when Elon Musk publicly discloses how much Dogecoin he owns will the world actually know. All right, so there's our article on Elon Musk owning, and you got it, 3 different cryptocurrency. He owns Dogecoin, he owns Bitcoin, and he owns Ethereum. Isn't that funny? If you look behind me, you see a Dogecoin pillow, you see a Bitcoin pillow right below it, and you see Ethereum on the other side. Below Ethereum is the Litecoin. But 3 of the 4 pillows Elon Musk owns, which is fantastic. All right, let's go ahead and head over to one of my favorite cryptocurrency projects for a minute or 2 of the Cake of Fortune. Just kind of want to go over that a little bit. All right, over here at the Cake of Fortune, there's $11,000 in this. There's $37.88 cake in the contract. Cake is worth about $3 right now. Let's take a look and see if we can figure it out. How much is cake worth? Cake, I think it's around $3. Let's put cake right here at the top. Pancake. Yeah, $3, which, yep. So they got $37.88 cake in the contract for about $11,000. The thing I like about this contract is it pays 3% daily. A lot of people want to compare and say that this is a copycat of BNB Miner, which has been on the planet for the longest paying miner, which is a compliment to the Cake of Fortune. But the BNB Miner pays 3% a day, and it's been out for over a year. In fact, the BNB miner has been out longer than the Drip network community, and everybody who's bullish on Drip, BNB miner has been out longer. And the only reason I talk about BNB miner is a lot of people like to say the Cake of Fortune is a copycat. You can click up here at the top to the YouTube.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig, and today is Sunday, so we all know what's going on today. It is the rehypothecation day. So today we are going over the Cake of Fortune, and we are on 1030 cake.
All right, so Crypto Craig does a great job talking about the Cake of Fortune. I love this guy a lot. He has a lot of good insight. So check this out right here. Point is, right at the top of the page is the YouTube. You can go to the Telegram group too, with the Fortune Hunters, and you have a lot of different things going on there too. There is going to be the Elk of Fortune coming out, but again, just wanted to share a quick crypto project in this. Check this out. You basically approve how much cake you want to get started with right here. Then, right now, if you put 50 cake in, which would be about $150, you would actually hire 52,000 hunters, and then the hunters would come up here. I got 115,000 hunters, and then you would make 160 feet per hour of hunters, and then your rewards would go right here to the right. When you're done with your rewards, you can actually hire more hunters with your rewards, or you can actually take your fortune. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Elon Musk, he has 3 different cryptocurrencies that he's involved in and he owns. The Cake of Fortune is fantastic. Let's head back over to Dogelon Mars and do a little price prediction. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, this coin is down 24%. Let's go on the down. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 309 or 3092. I think the coin's going to go down. So 6 zeros and a 2992 is my price prediction. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. We started the video and it was down 24%. Now it's down 25%. Sunday, the coin's going down. You never can time the bottom exactly, but this would be a good time to cost average. If you've never been into the intergalactic travel coin, Dogelon Mars, could be a good time to get in. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here, and I'm going to link a video on the Cake of Fortune, so you can check that out. And click right here so you can learn about my favorite video, the BNB miner. This has been out for over 450 days, paying 3%. The longest miner on the planet, paying out that BNB. All right, everybody, it's Sunday, 4th of July weekend. Great time to celebrate with your family. We will see you a little bit later on tomorrow.